In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fillable PDF in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. This is the quickest way to find the platform if you do not already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to make sure you are going to the official site. When the website opens, go ahead and sign into your account. If you are already logged in, you may be taken straight to the dashboard. After that, open the PDF you want to turn into a fillable form. This is the document you will be editing, so make sure you have the right file selected before you move on. Once your PDF is open inside the DocHub editor, look over to the far left sidebar menu and find the Manage Fields icon. It may appear as a clipboard with a check mark or as a page with small boxes, depending on the version you see. Click that icon to begin working with interactive form elements. As soon as you click it, a panel will slide open showing the available form field options. This panel is where you will choose the type of fillable element you want to add to your document. From here, click and drag your preferred field directly onto the PDF page. Choose the field type based on the kind of information you want someone to enter. A text field works well for names, addresses, or short answers. A paragraph field is better for longer responses that need multiple lines. Checkboxes and radio buttons are useful when you want people to make selections from a set of options. Signature and initials fields are ideal for forms that need formal sign-off. A date field is perfect when you want users to enter a calendar date in a clean, organized format. After placing a field on the page, click on it to make adjustments. You can resize the field so it fits neatly into the space on your document, which is especially helpful if you are aligning fields with existing lines or boxes in the PDF. You can also open the field properties to customize details like the label and font size. If the information is mandatory, you can mark the field as required so it cannot be skipped. As you build your form, take a moment to place fields carefully and keep everything visually consistent. Clean spacing and properly sized fields make the document easier for others to complete. And that's how you create a fillable PDF in DocHub.